Works. The word works is a versatile term in the English language that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Here are a few common meanings and examples of how works is used. 1. Works as a noun, meaning works can refer to a place where things are made or done, such as a factory or a place of employment. Example: I visited my friend at his works to see how they manufacture cars. Example: she has been working at the steelworks for over a decade. 2. Works as a verb, meaning works can also be used as a verb to describe the act of doing something, usually involving effort or labor. Example: he works as a teacher, educating young minds. Example: she works hard to achieve her goals. 3. Works as a plural noun, meaning works can also refer to a collection of literary or artistic pieces created by a particular person or group. Example: the complete works of William Shakespeare are considered a masterpiece of English literature. Example: the museum is hosting an exhibition of Picasso's works. 4. Works as a verb meaning functioning, meaning works can also mean the functioning or operation of a machine, system, or plan. Example: the computer works perfectly after the technician fixed it. Example: the new irrigation system works efficiently, ensuring the plants receive enough water. 5. Works as a verb meaning to solve or resolve, meaning works can also be used to describe the act of solving or resolving a problem or issue. Example: they are working on a plan to reduce traffic congestion in the city. Example: the team is working together to find a solution to the budget deficit. It is essential to consider the context in which the word works is used to determine its precise meaning.